In this example, we're going to find and verify the inverse for h of x, which is this. Then we'll state the domain and range for the inverse. So let's do the find part first. We've got y. I'm replacing h of x with y. And then we've got negative 2 plus or minus the fourth root of x minus 3. To do the inverse part, we're going to switch all the x's and y's and then try to solve for y here. We'll need to add 2 first. So we've got x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus the fourth root of y minus 3. Then we'll raise each side to the fourth power. So we've got x plus 2 to the fourth power. This raising to the fourth and the fourth root will cancel each other out. We've just got y minus 3. Then we'll add 3 to each side, and I prefer to just write that over here on the left hand side. So we'll do y, which is now the inverse of f of x, and that's going to be equal to 3 plus x plus 2 to the fourth power. We want to verify that these are indeed inverses, so what we're going to do here is we are going to compose them. So we're going to take the original one, and this I guess should have been h, huh? Or we could make that an f. What we're going to do is we're going to take the original one here, and we're just going to take the x out of the original one and substitute this whole thing in. So we'll do x plus 2 to the fourth, and then there's a minus 3 hanging out there. And that's one of them, and then we'll do it the other way around as well. So we'll take the inverse, and instead of writing the x, we'll write the original function, and then we'll do plus 2, raise that to the fourth power. Let's work with this one. So we've got 3 and negative 3 inside. So this will be x plus 2 to the fourth power. And this should have been a fourth root there. We'll do that part. And so we'll do x plus 2 here. Those cancel each other out. And you've just got x. So this one's good. Alrighty, we'll do the next one here. So we'll do the negative 2 and the 2. So we've got 3 plus, and then in parentheses, we've got the fourth root of x minus 3 to the fourth power. That cancels. Then we've got x minus 3, got a negative 3 and a 3, and that's just x. So we're looking to get just x here. To do the domain and range, you could graph this thing if you wanted to. I'm noticing it should be a shift left 2 and up 3. So we could figure out what's going on with this one. I'll erase the previous example's work. We'll do 3 plus, and then x plus 2 raised to the fourth power. And we'll see what's happening with this one. And it's a bad viewing window, so I'm going to stop that, and I'm going to go to zoom 6 here to get a nice viewing window for this one. So you can see here we have a minimum. The minimum should be at negative 2 and up 3. So the domain for this one's going to be all real numbers. So the graph continues to the left and the right. And then the range is just going to be at 3 and above. So if we write that down, we've got a domain of all real numbers, and we've got a range that goes from 3 all the way up to infinity. So there's that one. We've got our inverse, and we've also verified it on the right hand side.